Yo, what's up, guys? Don't mind me, don't pay attention, don't follow what I do. But what's up? I am going to get my hair retwisted again. It's been 7, 8 months, almost a whole year. I mean, a little bit over, but you know. And my GoPro died, so I am taking this video on my camera phone. So hopefully it doesn't look all crazy and stuff. I will get back to y'all soon because y'all can see all this new growth. I have a lot of new growth. Oh, and I'm getting, hold on. I am getting my hair dyed, my tips dyed. So that's gonna be cool. First time ever getting my tips dyed, getting my hair dyed, period. Never had my hair dyed before. Y'all see the color that I picked. I wanted white, but I didn't get white. I should have got white. Oh well. I'll always get it next time. It's gonna be cool. You know what I hate? It just takes too long. So I'm glad I got my headphones, AirPods. Hopefully that makes it go faster. Let me not make my phone die. So I will see y'all when I see you. Nice talking. I am back. Hair's done. Don't mind these edges because I'm gonna touch that up. Oh my gosh. First coloring ever. And yo, man, long. Like, I don't know if you can see. They did a pretty good job. I love it. Oh, it's hot as heck in here. Hold up, yo. Need to turn that AC on, bro. It is hot. It's October, like it's October 1st. Oh, and I do need to tell y'all that because I need to keep a reference because sometimes I be forgetting what days I got my hair done and stuff. So I can look back on this video and know that it was October 1st. Did I say October 2nd? I don't know, but it's October 1st. Yeah, it's hot. Yo, I love it. This one seems to go up more on this side than this side. But I don't know, I can't see behind my head. Maybe it's the way she braided it, or maybe not. I am definitely need to shave this right here. But yo, I haven't had my hair done in so long, man. And it's 2 o'clock, yo. I got there at 9:15. I was a little late. They were a little mad, I guess. But 9 a.m. and it's 2, and I just got home. Man, I've been there. I guess the process of dyeing my hair made it take a little longer. But yeah, yo, my locks are getting long. And it just like, how can I say this? Like getting your locks done, like when mine was like poofy and stuff, there was like weight on my head, it felt like. But hair, I could just like, I feel like I have no hair except for hair because it's kind of tight right here. But it just gives your head like air, like, because your head be so big. I be putting on hats. Now my hats are probably can fit now. But I just wanted to update on the lock vid because I need to start making more lock vids, and I want to record my journey with you, with myself, so I go future self, and try to help y'all along the way if you're down to that sort of thing. You know what I'm saying? Lock journey. Who's about it? I'm about it. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Thanks.